I'll show you the operation. So we choose unloaded, and you can see how quick the system is. So, some of the R&D and a lot of the effort we went to is to make the system really responsive and high flow valves so that, we move a lot of air. So you're not sitting there waiting for your truck to be ready to drive.
Absolutely. Hey guys, it's Matthew Gilliland with Cape Fear Customs. I'm here with Reno from LOGIQ Air. Talk to us about your products.
Hey guys, thanks for having us. We're LOGIQ Air suspension. Our focus is towing and hauling, making your towing and hauling experience better. Our air spring kits are very unique for each application, so we scale the kit for the truck. So you got a half-ton truck, our kit's gonna lift 3,200 pounds, like the most you can lift with that truck. 3/4 ton, 1-ton truck, you'll see our dual air spring kit. That kit will lift 6,400 pounds.
Wow, that's impressive.
So we get the job done for whatever the application is. We have kits that go up to 8,200 pounds.
Well, another thing that I think is really innovative on y'all's is that you can have preset settings on different trailer loads and how you want it. So once you dial it in exactly how you want it, you can save that setting.
Exactly.
And how many are you allowed to save up to?
You got 8 presets, and then like you'll see we have saved here, we have bed load, right? So this is our big water tank. We got about 4,000 pounds in the bed of this truck right now. So this setting right here is 100 PSI, but then we have our unloaded setting, which is we usually run about 10 PSI. We can run down to 5 PSI when you're unloaded, but you got to keep some air in the springs.
At least 5 PSI. That's
Correct.
a good question
I like to point
ask.
that one out because if you don't have any air in there, when you expand the spring, let's say you put the truck up on a 2-post lift and the suspension droops, when it goes to recompress, if you don't have any air in there, the spring can buckle and then it can get damaged.
That makes sense.
But I'll show you the operation. So we choose unloaded, and you can see how quick the system is. So, some of the R&D and a lot of the effort we went to is to make the system really responsive and high flow valves so that, we move a lot of air. So you're not sitting there waiting for your truck to be ready to drive.
Absolutely. And talk to me about the warranty on it as well. I'm sure that's a good question for people.
Yeah,
to
so
know.
our air spring kits are lifetime warranted.
Awesome.
And our AirIQ system is lifetime warranted. The compressor itself is a wearing item, so that's a 2-year warranty on the compressor itself. But guys get many more years than that, obviously. But
it is a funcking component.
It is. It's something that's sitting there, and what kills compressors is heat, right? So the harder you run it back to back, that's what ends up killing it. That's why, like the HD compressor, if you are gonna use it a lot, that compressor makes more air faster, basically, and it's got a higher duty cycle. So you can beat it harder, and it will still last longer.
Well, Reno, I really appreciate you taking the time to talk with us.
You as well.
And I hope you have a great rest of the show.
Thank you.
All
You
right?
too.
Thank you, bud.